Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Khadija. We're going with my real name, Khadija. As you can see in my previous videos, I called myself Jolie. That was like one of my little, I thought I was being cute with the little French Jolie wee wee kind of energy. But we changed, we rebrand, we're using the real name. I'm Khadija. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And I know you're probably wondering, where has she been? It's been almost 2 years, y'all. Let me tell you, life has happened. We all seen that. I took a little bit of a hiatus, a break, but I'm back and we will be chatting it up. I'll be answering questions, all the things. So yeah, today, as I promised 2 years ago, yeah, I know, I did a review on Care of, a vitamin supplement company. I will link that video below, and I'm just doing a quick follow-up video just to talk about my experience and answer any questions. So first question was, what supplements did you use and why? So of course, I'm not a dietitian, anything like that, but I use zinc, vitamin D, maca powder. I got their protein powder and their dream team for melatonin. And you'll see when you go on their website, they explain what each supplement does for you, the benefits. I picked those because I know sometimes I'll be vitamin D deficient, and then like I need some zinc, and I'm having trouble sleeping, so I'll have some melatonin. So it's based on your preferences and what you want. And then the maca powder is for energy too. So it's like I need the maca powder for energy because I can't sleep, so I have the little dream team supplement. I know, just all over the place. Anyway, so that's how I would just say, like, go on their site, check out the vitamin types and all of that, and then you can decide from there. And they do have surveys too, which kind of helps you decide what's the best options for you, and I really like that. How did the protein powder taste? Okay, so the protein powder is vegan. Yeah, I think it's a vegan protein powder. I had the chocolate one. It was really good. It was good to be vegan. It's not gonna taste like Hershey Kisses or anything like that, a Snickers bar, but it was really good. I would say that it didn't have a chocolate taste. I went with the chocolate. They have vanilla too, but I went with the chocolate because I feel like when you go plant-based, going vanilla is a little more riskier than going chocolate. Maybe that's just me, I don't know, but it was good. I didn't use it all. But we'll talk about that because I wanted to caveat something too about like the supplements and how like you get it every month or however you set the timing, and how like sometimes it can be wasteful. We'll talk about that. Excuse me. Which product did you use the most? Ooh, honey, baby girl was having trouble sleeping during the panorama, and that Dream Team melatonin worked amazingly. Like when I tell y'all that melatonin was so good, it will put you to sleep so easy. I did notice I was having like weird dreams when I take it. But maybe that's because I'm just weird like that. But I absolutely love that product. It was just, and it tastes delicious. You just pour it under your tongue or on your tongue, and it dissolves, and in like a couple minutes you're asleep. That was my favorite product out of all the products. Let's see. This question said, are you still using it? Am I still using the Care of program? No. And this is why. I'm gonna tell y'all. So for me, I set the cadence to every month, and then I was like, you know what, I can't keep up with taking vitamins every day, and I was getting vitamins so frequently that I just had too many vitamins. So I was like, let me set it to 3 months, and then like at some point I just stopped because I'm like, I'm not being responsible enough to keep up with taking my vitamins every day, and I'm just spending money on these vitamins and I'm not even using them, and they're gonna expire at some point. So I pretty much said like, all right, let me just stop the program because I can't keep up. And that's just me. So that's what I meant by like, I would share with y'all like my experience with like the cadence of it all. Because if you're one of those people who stay on top of your supplements and every day you're taking your supplements, then it will be for you. But for me, like I felt like I just couldn't keep up at the time. But I needed to have that mentality of like how I keep up with my birth control pill. That's how I should have kept up with those vitamins. Nonetheless, I do still take supplements, but like they have to visibly be in my face in order for me to be like, oh, let me take that. Or like I would have to just remember to take it while eating, because y'all know how it is to get nauseous when you take vitamins. So for me, I just stopped the program because I just couldn't keep up with that. Even like the protein powder would expire, so I'm like, ugh. But I will say it's a really, really good program. I like the concept of the company. The customer service was great. The price points were really, really reasonable compared to like going into the grocery store, your local CVS or Walgreens to purchase vitamins. Like I did like that about the brand, is that the vitamins weren't as expensive as like going to just like CVS. So that's another thing too, that's a plus. So overall, I would say 10 out of 10 would recommend Care of. This is not a sponsored post at all. They're not paying me to say that. 10 out of 10 recommend Care of for ease of use. The packaging is cute. The price point, the overall like quality of the vitamins and supplements are really good. I would say for me, I'm a 2 out of 10 because I couldn't keep up with the supplement. So I'm giving myself a low rating. I'm giving Care of a 10 out of 10. But yeah, those were like some of the primary questions that I saw like came up. So I wanted to address them really quickly. I promised you guys that I would do this video. So here we are. But if you have any more questions or still uncertain about the company or whatever like that, just like come to me, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you soon. I promise that.